Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Botox B Venom Anti-Aging Wrinkle Cream review. So you might be wondering, what is the Botox B Venom Wrinkle Removal Cream here that you might be hearing online? Well, this is a topical anti-aging cream positioned as a non-invasive alternative to Botox injections, aimed at wrinkles, fine lines, under eye puffiness, dark circles, sagging eyelids, and uneven skin tone. Now that's according to them. Now, the listed key ingredients are B-venom peptides, so described as mimicking the skin's response to Botox-style muscle relaxation and stimulating collagen and elastin. Hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and acetyl hexapeptide 8, described as a non-invasive Botox alternative that basically works by relaxing muscles contraction signals. Now, the page also lists botulinum toxin itself among the potent ingredients, so worth flagging directly here since botulinum toxin is a prescription only. So in this case, if you are planning on using this product, it's best to consult your doctor first, just to be on the safe side. But yeah, how to exactly use these product here? Well, the page includes an instruction for use section, though specific step-by-step application details, so in this case amount or frequency or timing here, weren't actually specifically mentioned. So as visible text on the website, so checking the physical product packaging or contacting the seller directly here for the exact application instructions would be the reliable bet, since again it's better to be safe. So if you are planning on buying this product, you may want to contact them or consult a doctor first. Now, when it comes to the pricing itself, now it's listed at around 59 AED. Now, discounted from the 100 AED reference price point here, so through the website here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.